Hello guys, welcome back to Ayesha's Curiosity. Ooh yeah. Okay, so after a long break, we're doing crafts. And today we're gonna transform this simple looking pen into a beautiful nail polish pen, okay? So let's begin. Yippee! So this is all we need. 2 different shades of glitter paper, okay, and it should stick, okay? And even though it doesn't stick, you can use the glue. It should be like a thin needle. If you don't have, it's okay, you can find another container and put that like a glue in there. Or you can even buy it. And the light blue one is 6 centimeters. And the dark blue is 8. Because we have to make a container for the pen, right? Because it's a nail polish pen. So we need something bigger, okay? So let's begin. First of all, you need to take out take this out, okay? And yeah, and then put this aside, the body, and just take this because we need it. So now you have to just put it here, okay? And then just open this a bit, like till here only. And then we can cut it at the end, okay? Oopsie doopsie. Alright. And now just roll it all the way until here, and then we can again remove it. And so on. When you're done, I'll tell you. Keep rolling, go ahead, roll. And no need for this now, we just need to know where to put it. Okay, and while you roll, it should be in line. It needs a lot of concentration, I'm telling you. Just hold it up tight. Okay, now that that's done, from here, that's when we have to cut it. Right there. Really hard to cut. Okay, so this is how it'll look at the end. And then open your glue and just glue it around here. Oh yeah, and I have to tell you something really important. Be really careful with the glue. Right there, okay. And there, right there. Oopsie doopsie. There. Okay, now just close it. Wait, and now we just need to tighten it there and let it dry, okay? Really nice, see? Okay. Just to check that it's in its place, we can test it. Let me write my name so we can test it. Oopsie doopsie doops. Perfect. Okay, perfect. It's right in place. So now just keep on rolling. And it should be in line. Go. Here. Should be really tight, okay? So, as you see, I already peeled it off from here. So I just got rid of the paper right here. You know why? Because I know we also have to take it out to write. So that's why we didn't take off the sticker here and we just took it off here. And now just roll it until the sticker just sticks properly, okay? Oh, move your finger. And then it's done. You see the nail polish base looks really thin, so give it 3 to 4 more layers. And I'll take another piece of paper, okay? And this one you can take it off till the half, okay? Till here only, and just fold it so it won't annoy you. Just take it properly and just stick it right there. And then really carefully just keep on rolling and do not touch it, okay? The sticker, otherwise it won't stick anymore. And hold it really tight place. Now you can just take this out and just keep rolling it. Hold it from here so it'll be a bit easy, because from the inside you can just press it on the way you go, okay? Right there. And now just take it all off. Done. Bye-bye, annoying paper. Now keep going, keep going. And there we have it. Done. Look at the shade now. Let's test it. Oh, there. Whoa, such a nice base. Such a nice thick base. And now it gives a look of nail polish. So, and now we have to make the bottom of it. So, you'll see here, you just have to remove the sticker a bit. Right till there, okay? And then, just stick it there tightly. Now just cut it around really carefully. You don't want to cut the base, okay? Be careful, it's sticky. So there's stick. Now cut it from there. There. I know it's not in the place, but we're gonna manage that. Cut, okay? I know it's not a perfect circle, so we're gonna cut some of these. And now we can see the bottom, and I know it's sticky, but it can still come out, okay? Let's test it. And inside it goes. Oh, it's just like nail polish. Maybe you can fool your friends with it, okay? I'm gonna do the same. Oh, some nail polish. You'll be like, here's nail polish. And they'll get fooled maybe or not, because some of them are smart, of course. I'm also fond of decorating my things, so I'm gonna decorate this nail polish with this heart. Let's open this teensy heart. Oopsies. Okay. Now we also have to hide it, so properly in the line. Right there. Okay? Oh, let's prank my brother, guys. With just nail polish. Okay, let's go.